let's build our first library structure. We'll start from defining a new tool components library. We can do it by doing a right click here, going to new tool library and clicking on tool components. In this video, I'll do it with offline application, and I'll open here a path that goes from the C program files, Solicam 2025, Solicam, and under it you'll find a toolkit.exe. I'll double click on it, and a quick launch will appear. You can see you can start a new library of tool components, tool assemblies, also tool machine setup, where you need to provide a name for it. You can also open any of these libraries, and over here you can also see the most recent files that you worked on. So let's define our first tool components. I'll write here e-learning, and I'll just accept it. You can note immediately that folder structure of cutters, shanks, adapters, and holders, fixtures, and additives will be created. Those folders cannot be removed, and use them to build a structure of your components within it. Each of these folders, you can do right click and you have add a folder where you can build your structure based either on your tool type or component type or component manufacturer. So for instance, here, right click on the cutter, and I can do here, bottom here, end mills. We can do here also base mills. You can do also drills, taps, and etc. Similarly, we have for shanks, also adapters, as I said, and also fixtures and additives. And in this video, I will dive into creating a simple cutters. That will be an end mill. So I will just drop the very first component here. And the first thing that you can see here, that immediately we jumped into the topology page, where the known features and parameters of these tools are already known by our Toolkit Essentials videos. And here we will just define simple 6mm end mill. Let's go actually with 8. And I will also define my outside holder length. You can see here it's 35. And in any moment I can go show and hide picture here. So you can see the picture that we, the tool that we just created. Also, for a specific cutter, we can define its cutting conditions and also properties. If you're creating it based on the manufacturer, or you can also place manufacturer catalog number, prices, mass, and description. Pay attention that you can also put a link directly that guides to catalog on the web. Note that the link, the hyperlink, it exists on the end mills. If you have particular catalog that guides you to a specific series or family of components, you can use this page as well. Additionally, I can also change the name to this. I'll put proper name, and that's it. In this video, I will create another component that will be a holder. And without further definition of it, as is by default a 3D model, I'll just change it to be a sketch 2D. I'll not go into many details about it, as we are going to pass it through some of other videos in the future. I'll just define this component or this holder with a diameter of, let's say, 40 here, and height will be 60. And I will change my name of this holder. This will be e-learning holder, and we will use it in some of our next videos. You can see here that e-learning.tlv is there, still not saved. And before saving, I'll just jump into Solicam settings quickly to show you the folder where all these data will be stored automatically. So this is the folder where it will be stored, and I have it opened here. I have here a lot of my own libraries, and just by clicking on save here, your data and your tool component library is saved. So I'll go to the e-learning here .tlv, and it's defined.